Hey guys, so I wanted to make sure I got on here as soon as I got home from a trip. So I went to Florida to visit my daughter and my beautiful grandbaby and the family that she is now in with her fiance and his family, and they're amazing people. But I wanted to get on here because I needed to talk about the week that I had while I was there. I don't know what happened, but it was definitely one of those things where it was a definite fat girl moment, and I had to talk about it before I forget. So I started the week off pretty roughly. So we went to we drove. So we drove down to Florida, which is about 18-hour trip. And of course, I didn't pre-think my game here. I literally just jumped in the car and we went to the store and got junk food. Hi guys, this is Nina Perez, and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T, which is pretty healthy and terrific in real time. And this is a journey of me coming to you and telling you the truth about what's going on. I don't want to forget these moments because these are the moments that I need to look back on and say, oh yeah, you messed up pretty good and it was because of A, B, and C. And what are you doing about it? And how do you feel about it? I think one of the biggest things that I have to kind of get a grip with is when I go through this, why? Why do I keep going through this? What is this roller coaster about? And how long am I going to stay on here? This is why this community is so important to me, but because without being accountable to you and being accountable to myself to be accountable to you, I am somebody who struggles. I have struggled with this almost all of my life. Never really knew what being healthy was. I tried on and off, of course. I've definitely have gained and lost weight, a lot of weight throughout my life. But this is the first time that I've actually put myself out there and have made myself accountable to a group of people. So the boot camps have been going great. And of course, I didn't have boot camp this week because I was away. And I did the boot camp for one day. So usually I do boot camps 3 days a week, right? So I do a Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I left on Saturday, so I didn't do boot camp. And I spent the whole week and I did boot camp one day while I was away. And I did half because I've been eating so horribly while I was gone that I literally had no energy to do it. I was shaking. My body was shaking. I also recorded myself having that little bit of a breakdown at the end and crying because I'm angry. I was angry with myself, and I still am a little angry with my choices and myself. I still am angry, but I'm trying to come to grips with why I let it happen to begin with so that I'm not in this space again, right? So I'm back feeling great, healthy and all, but not feeling great in my body because I have not eaten like I should have. Like tonight I had a salad with grilled chicken. It was fine. I had a nice healthy dressing on it. It was all great when I got back, right? But through the week, it was Thanksgiving. So it's like eating a little bit of turkey and a little bit of mashed potatoes and a little bit of sweet potatoes. And we went out to a Japanese tapas place. It was delicious. And I ate a little bit of yuca and a little bit of octopus and a little bit of this. And it wasn't horrible, but it definitely wasn't good. And I wasn't even thinking or putting thought into what I was putting in my body. I just let go, completely let go, completely relaxed on all things. And I shouldn't do that because I'm not in the mindset to do that yet. I still am very much and probably always will be thinking like a fat girl. And that's not going to do any benefit to me because it's something I struggle with, right? Like eating in secret or grabbing that ice cream when nobody's watching. These are things that we have to overcome. I am here for you for that. And I know that a lot of you are here for me for that. And that was a really big struggle. That is something that I feel like I do well and fall. I do well and fall. And I'm trying to get to a point where I'm not falling like that, right? So the whole week was definitely a struggle. It was definitely something that I had to go through, I think, because I haven't really had a bad week like this since I've started. I had some bad days, absolutely, but not a whole week where I kind of just, it was like whatever. Eating at all hours, not drinking any water, eating sweets if I wanted to, eating ice cream if I wanted to. And I feel like garbage. And I felt like garbage while I was doing it because I've been trying to eat healthier and be better. And I still didn't even listen to my body saying, hello, you're full. Hello, this doesn't feel good. Hello, you can't have gluten and you can't have dairy. Why are you eating this when you know you're going to feel like garbage? And that is exactly what I felt like. And so I wanted to come on here because, Confessions of a Fat Girl is something that I wanted to do in this journey. I wanted to make sure that I was confessing when I do things that I should not be doing, because it is a journey that is for real. This is in real time, happening for real to real people. And I know that I am not the only one that goes through this. I know there's many of you that go through this roller coaster yo-yo where you are pissed off at yourself for actually letting yourself go there. I know I am upset with myself. Definitely went through the stages of being pissed off for sure. And my body feels it, right? My abdomen is inflamed and swollen because I feel bloated and my joints hurt. I have a headache. I've had a headache for a couple of days because I'm not supposed to eat gluten, but I had pie and cake and all that crap. And then I'm not supposed to have dairy, but, there was broccoli casserole and gravy and like all of this stuff that was delicious, but something I shouldn't have had. And although there wasn't like a lot of like healthier options with vegetables and stuff like that, I could have definitely still made better choices, or at least had something better happening. Like yesterday, I felt so horrible that I said, you know what, all day tomorrow I'm going to do is drink some water. If I get really hungry after fasting for like 12, 14 hours, whatever it was, I will go ahead and have a little bit of carrot and hummus. And that's what I did. And then, of course, in the evening, when my husband and I were hungry, we had to stop at a hotel to sleep over the night so that we can get some rest. What did we have? Thai food. What did I have? Beef pad thai. Not necessary. They had salads on the menu. I just didn't even bother looking at them. Why? Why? Can somebody help a sister out? I am like so annoyed with my choices, but tonight is another night. I'm going to sleep this bullshit off. I am going to leave it behind, and I'm going to start anew tomorrow. Because I cannot do this. I will not spend my life doing this stupid behind yo-yo all my life. I can't do it. I can't do it. I have to break this. I have to break this. Now, I know that the holidays are coming, and already in my brain, as I was doing all of this, was saying, it's okay. It's the holidays. It's not okay for me when I can't control it for the week. If it was the one day and I would have said, oh, I went all out for Thanksgiving Day, no problem. I didn't do that. I just didn't give a crap the whole week. And the thing was, is something was nudging inside of me saying, you know better. You know better. And the other part of me, it was like I was brain dead. Like I rationalized all of it. Yeah, but I'm on vacation. Yeah, but I'm away. Yeah, but. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? So I'm coming on here to just spill my guts out to you guys. And if you guys have any kind of like tricks or anything like that you would like to share on how a fat girl gets through these times, I would love to hear them. PJ is super supportive. My group from boot camp is super supportive. And I haven't even told them anything because I literally came home and came and made myself a salad because I was really hungry and I didn't want to stop because all I kept thinking about was French fries. Oh, I want French fries. I want French fries. I'm like, no, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, you're not doing that. And so that's why I'm here on camera, like just spilling out my guts, because I realized that I need to do this for my journey, and I need to do this. Maybe it'll help you too. Maybe it'll help you realize that, okay, I effed up now, but that doesn't mean that I'm going to always be effing up, right? So we're in this together. I need your support, and I'm here to support you. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because I need as much of you people in this community as possible. I need the encouragement as much as possible. I'm hoping that I hit the ground running after this, right? So tomorrow, like I said, is a new day. It is a new day with new choices and new things I can do. And I don't have to keep regretting every decision I make all the time. So thank you guys for listening to my rant. Thank you for listening to Fat Girl Problems because, man, I am sure this is not going to be the last one. But I will promise you that I'm going to try my best to make these successful. If I'm going to have these failures, I'm going to use these failures for my success, right? 2021 is the new year of possible failures, which means you have to try something new in order to fail and get up again. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Nina Perez, Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T and talking about real stuff in real time. Until next time, fat out.